Although Blipblox may look like a toy, this thing is packed with some real synth power. Let's dig into some advanced features hiding under those colorful buttons. Every other SEQ pattern includes automatic drums. You can play the drums by pressing the kick or the snare buttons. You can also turn the automatic drum machine on or off by holding down the kick and snare at the same time. Want to hear just the drums? Hold kick and press the SEQ button to enter drum solo mode. The SK2 includes a hidden visual mode called synth parameter mode. Hold kick and press sound freak to activate it. Now each LED displays real synth data, LFO rates, oscillator types, envelope brightness, and more. It's not just a light show, it's a real-time guide to what your synth is doing. You can even tone things down if needed. Use power on settings to reduce LED animations or limit volume for quiet environments. Made a sound you love, then lost it? No problem. Just hold randomize to instantly revert to your last patch. No menus, no saving required. With drums, modulation, visual feedback, and pro-level control, Blipblox proves that real synthesizers can be fun for everyone.